Seniors, I want you to pay close attention to your feet for a moment. When you stand up, what do you feel? Do your feet feel stable on the ground, or do you notice numbness, tingling, or that strange walking on bubble wrap feeling? If you feel weakness or poor control in your feet and legs, this is important. Most seniors are told this is neuropathy and that nothing can be done except medication. But that's not completely true. Research shows that specific movements can improve nerve function, increase blood flow, and help your brain reconnect with your feet. Your nervous system can adapt, and with the right exercises, you can rebuild that connection. Today, we'll go through 3 simple exercises you can do at home to improve strength, balance, and stability. Exercise 1. Supine leg cycling. Lie flat on your back with your legs lifted slightly off the ground. Now slowly move your legs like you're pedaling a bicycle in the air. Keep the movement controlled and steady. This improves blood circulation to the legs, brings oxygen to the nerves, and reduces stiffness. It also helps your brain reconnect with both legs at the same time. Start with 30 to 60 seconds. Exercise 2. Bird dog hold. Extend one arm forward while extending the opposite leg slightly back. Keep your movements slow and controlled. Hold this position for 3 to 5 seconds, then return and switch sides. This exercise strengthens the connection between your brain and lower body. It also activates your core, which helps stabilize your posture and reduce fall risk. Exercise 3. Single leg balance. Stand near a chair, wall, or countertop for support. Lift one leg up while keep the other touching the ground. Hold this position for 30 to 60 seconds, then switch sides. This exercise improves balance, strengthens your leg and ankle muscles, and trains your nerves to react faster. If this helped you, type "stronger" in the comments so I know you're starting today. And don't forget to subscribe for more simple ways to stay active and independent.